Welcome to our YouTube channel. Okay, my name is Grace. You already know me.
My name is Keziah. You also know me.
But they don't know you. This is the first time they're meeting you.
Oh.
Say hi.
Hi.
So this is my lovely princess who's going to be helping me today. And we're making our very basic vanilla cupcakes.
Ooh, but even we'll make buttermilk sticks.
Later on.
Later.
Okay, so
we have a mixture and we've got some butter, sugar,
yeah,
eggs, flour, and then we got cupcakes. Tray.
Yep. Yeah, so good. So what do we do first? Which one should we put in first?
I feel I'll go for the butter.
Well done.
I want to put butter in.
But it's too far from you. So you pass it to me and I'll put it in.
But the next one, can I put in?
You can put the sugar in.
Okay.
Okay, so in goes
By the way, we're just going to put the butter in. And I'll put the sugar in. A little sugar in my hand.
In goes the
butter.
And then the sugar. Okay, you put it in. Yeah, you can. There you go. There we go. And then we're gonna not yet. And then we're gonna put this on.
And then
try putting it down first.
And then we'll put on.
And then put it on.
Let's see how it goes.
So we're gonna mix this for about
30 minutes.
30? Let's say 3 minutes.
Okay, 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Okay, so I'm just gonna scrape that down. Scrape.
And someone
scrape.
there.
And someone there. Scrape.
Yeah.
Scrape.
And then I'm just gonna add the eggs. 2 eggs actually.
2 eggs.
I'm not cracking the egg yet.
You can crack the egg now.
In the bowl.
Yes. Okay, so
now we're gonna add the egg.
why you shove it in there? So it looks nice and fluffy. So
now it's time to add the egg. So we add the flour right now. So we just have egg and flour.
So we're gonna add the eggs one at a time. There we go. Well done.
I did see it now.
It did. And then I'm going to put that back on. Slowly at first. And then whip it up.
And now we can I see it?
Of course you can. Get on the chair. Get on the chair. Stand on the chair.
Wow, that's so fast and tough.
Okay.
Is it time for the egg?
Let's add the second egg. And then we're going to crank it up a little bit. And I think that's it. Okay, so, hold on before we add that. Your mixture is going to look like this. A bit eggy and runny. And that's perfectly okay. It's meant to look like that. So if it looks like that, it's okay. Don't panic. You're still on the right track. Now we're going to add
the flour.
The flour. Well done. Well done. Is that all the flour?
Yeah.
Awesome.
A little mess.
That's okay.
Are the tissue?
That's okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna
Put it
on slowly because we don't want flour everywhere. See? I told you. So we're going to start and stop. Start and stop. Start and stop. And then we're going to start slowly. And just keep mixing slowly. And voila!
That's voila.
Voila! That's voila! And then we're gonna
see what it looks like.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit yummy.
A little bit yummy.
Can I add it?
And then we're gonna add the vanilla. Just once, which is about a teaspoon. These are very generously.
Then I would just put the mixture on.
Very
What
slowly
number?
on one. That's it. Well done. Oh, that smells yummy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Mmm.
As yummy as a lion meat.
A lion?
Just kidding. I will love it again.
Oh, so scrape down all the sides, got all the bottom, and we forgot to bring the spoon. So now we're gonna put it in our little cupcake cases.
Oh.
All that out. I need to get a spoon. Oh.
It's okay. It's a problem.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna get.
No, I'll get a spoon. You stay. Stop doing that. Oh my gosh.
Be careful, Mummy. Mummy. Cookie, yeah. Whatever. That's it. Everybody knows to go, Mummy.
Stop doing that.
Why didn't you bring 4 spoons?
I brought 2.
Doesn't matter.
There you go.
I choose this one.
Well done. Check you out. Very nicely done.
Wait,
A little bit more. Well done. Is it my turn? I like taking it in turns with you.
I'm kind of liking it. But
Your turn.
But seems like I do it with.
Your turn. Scoop and swipe. Swipe.
Wait.
Oh, you're gonna drop it.
Sorry.
You dropped it.
I didn't know that.
You dropped a little bit.
Your turn.
My turn. I'm just gonna clean this.
Oopsie.
That's okay.
I did a little bit.
Okay, my turn.
So gonna do that one.
Scoop. Oh, that's a big one. And swipe.
At the back.
I'm just gonna add a little bit more to yours.
And then we're done.
And then we're done.
We're just gonna make the next one while this is in the oven.
Yep. Okay, so the great thing about...
What's the next one, Mummy?
I don't know, hold on. So the great thing about...
Where's our list?
Keziah. So the great thing about this is
Where's our list?
you could literally add some coconut to it,
Rose.
some lemon, some almond, a bit of cocoa. It's so versatile. It's the best basic mixture ever, and the kids can be as creative as they want. So we're gonna pop this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown, and then we're going to enjoy our cupcakes. See you in a bit.
So while the cakes are cooking, we're just gonna make our next one. Mommy and Winnie telling us the next one. But don't worry, we'll find a list. Thank you. Bye.
What else are you gonna say?
I
Tell
don't like to see you.
tell the YouTube channel about yourself.
Oh. But
Tell them what you like to do.
I like to play with my chicken box. I have 2 actually. Ah! Sweeping up the table because there's a lot of mess. Can I have a little more spray over here? Yeah. Clean up a whole mess.
And we're back, and this is babies. And
We're gonna eat that.
Hezekiah, say hello.
Hello. Hello.
What's your name, Hezekiah?
My name is Hezekiah.
And this is Hezekiah. He's here to help us taste the cakes.
You better not eat mine.
Okay, so grab one.
Actually, am I right? Can I eat it?
Okay, let's see.
Yum, 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 yum.
Look at that. Nice and fluffy. So
Look.
simple.
Look that.
It's kind of. It's kind of. He's enjoying it. Mmm. So good.
So yummy.
Mmm. It's so good.
Get that guy.
Mmm. As you can see, very simple and very yummy. Check out the recipe in the description box below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And comment. Let Keziah know how well her baking and her recipe went.
What?
Yeah, Keziah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Bye.